My neighbours have disappeared. Oh, I can't remember the names. Lovely couple. Got a channel on YouTube. Grandad and Grandma or something like that. I'll put the link on the screen now. That long ago, I can't even bloody well remember. Yeah, nice couple. As you can see, it's very wet out there, quite drizzly. Yeah, I'm back down the boat, and hopefully should be working back on it soon. I've been away. I've been involved in another project, and for certain reasons I've not been down here, just not had the time. I'm waiting for a nearby lockup so I can set a workshop up, but I thought I'd bite the bullet excuse me, and I'm going to get down here again next few weeks, even if I haven't got the lockup, and well, carry on, get the side panels up, get the bulkheads up, and get some of the wiring sorted. It'll be a bit of a bugger really, trying to move things around from A to B, B to A, but well, I need to get this thing finished. What we got here? A little bit of damp. Yeah, there are holes already cut out on the roof for the mushroom vents, so I need to seal those up. Water's obviously getting in there. Not a problem. Nothing that can't be sorted. Need to get the name of the boat back up as well. Yeah, it does seem ages since I've been down here. Well, it is ages. I did pop down. I've been popping down just to check up on things, but I've not actually done anything. Oh look, anyone want to buy any cobwebs? Freshly made. Obviously spiders enjoy these sort of conditions. They probably came in for winter. Keep out of the rain. I've come down. I'm looking for my palm sander, so I'm doing a bit of work at home. I might well have taken it home. So I've got my work cut out, and they'll be coming in handy as soon as the weather is dry. Brushes, because I never did finish getting that second and third coat of zinc primer on the outside. When we look at that in a few minutes, you'll see rust is appearing, but again, it's not a big problem really, not an issue at all. That can be resolved, and will soon be ship shape, as it were, on the outside. Now, did I take that sander home or no? Oh, here we go. Aha! Yeah, that's what we're after. Nice DeWalt palm sander. Make use of that. I'll take that when I go. In fact, let's put that down here now so I don't forget it. Can't hear any aeroplanes today. How strange is that? It's normally quite busy. So if you don't know, I'm in a field with a few other boats, about 90 of the buggers, right under the flight path of the East Midlands airport. I need to get a new board on here as well. That's got absolutely sodden. I've got some proper tiger board to go on here, but at the moment I've got the sump pump, if you like, and it's sort of going through a notch in the corner. So I think when I bailed that out, I'll remove that pump, because if I'm going to be down here every week, it won't really matter. A few boats have moved, some new ones have appeared. There's another chap as well over there called Rob, really helpful, friendly bloke, into well, got a workshop making things out of wood. He seems to have disappeared, moved on. Like I say, it is probably early summertime last year when I was last working on the boat, because other things have got in the way. I've been working on another project which I can't tell you about yet, but all will be revealed hopefully September, October time this year. So don't bug me, can't say anything, my lips are sealed. Aha, what can it be, I wonder? I think where I've sealed these vents up with the gaffer tape about a year ago, it's peeling back, so I need to get that sorted as soon as the weather's dry. I'm not too bothered about these patches of rust, just surface rust, like on the side of the boat, which I'll show you in a few moments. So that wide beam's still there. We've got this boat. Was this here before? Can't remember. There was something here. No, this is what, a 20 footer, something like that. No, there was a longer boat here before. As you can see, bit of surface rust on here. I did put some rust remover on, but if I remember right, I never actually came down to wash it off and prime it. So I need to sort that out. This is not mine, by the way. Oh, another boat here, look. GRP fiberglass. So yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I think that one was here before. That's certainly new. That's new. This one, that looks new. At least the weeds have gone. Last time I came down it was overgrown. At least the weeds have gone. Nature's taken care of those. Last time I came down, the weeds were up to my shoulders down here. I thought, hey up, got to bring the strimmer down, but yeah, it looks like they've disappeared. Oh, there's a few trying to grow through now. So this is the other side of the boat. I was half expecting this one to have gone out. There's a train. Chuff chuff! Off back to Nottingham or Derby from London. We're very near the London main line here, and as you can see, the now power station, which has been decommissioned, the last coal-fired power station in the UK, I believe, or as was, Ratcliffe-on-Soar power station. So I wonder around here. Yep, don't trip. Yeah, a bit of surface rust. Problem is, when you ever have anything sprayed, because I had the initial primer sprayed by the builder, it never gets into the corners or on the square edges properly. So I can sort that out, not a problem. That's just running off from the guttering, because obviously the boat isn't perfectly level. Where should we go? Let's go back around here. It's not too cold today. Probably, I don't know, 4 degrees. That's a big, it's a beauty, isn't it? Is that going to be some sort of restaurant boat? Possibly. Yeah, a bit of air traffic up there somewhere. And yeah, there are quite a few lockups down here. Look, I've got my name down for one of those. But, well, I'm going to get on with the boat anyway. And then when that comes along, I'll move everything in there. Yeah, definitely air traffic, but the cloud cover is so low. Obviously I can't see anything. Yeah, so it's February the 15th. Another train going past there, look. Chuff chuff! Oh, big one that. Double one. Yeah, so what was I going to say? Lost me train of thought now. That bloody train. Oh yeah, it was Valentine's Day yesterday. It's the 15th of February. So I don't know where my card got to. It's been lost for the last 10 or so years. My cards, my Valentine's Day cards, probably the bloody postal service. They'll probably all turn up where I'm being buried or burnt, whatever decide to happen to me carcass when I'm off this planet. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you all, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. Do remember I've got lots of other sort of videos coming up in between my boat building video. The channel name is the Beery Boater and the Beery Boater off Piste. So for my viewers in the Philippines, please take note. I know you're eager to see me back on the boat, Will and co, but yeah, do bear with me, and I will be back on the boat very, very soon. So it only leaves me to say, please do like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends, because it will help the channel to grow, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Might be from a pub tonight somewhere. Got some interesting pub visits lined up, and 2 brewery visits. So there you go. If you like your beer, like your pubs, like your live music, oh, and the hairdressers as well in Hucknall of all places, which is soon to celebrate 40 odd years of the current owner being there. But anyway, that's for another time. I shall speak to you very, very soon.